These AI dog survival videos are absolutely exploding on YouTube right now, racking up millions, even hundreds of millions of views. The truth is, you only need two tools, ChatGPT and HitPaw Edimakor. Here's the exact step-by-step to create your own. Let's dive in. Step 1. Generate the prompts. Head over to ChatGPT to generate custom prompts for your scene transformation across all stages. You can use the same prompt I used. I've dropped it in the descriptions below. Just pick a theme you love, and ChatGPT will provide you with the specific image and video prompts for every shot. Step 2. Open HitPaw Edimakor. Simply click the link in the description to download and install it on your computer. Step 3. Generate the image. First, go to AI Image, Image Generate, Text to Image. Select a model you prefer. I'm using Google Nano Banana 2 for this task. Paste the prompt from ChatGPT, configure the resolution, aspect ratio, and output quantity, then hit Generate. You'll instantly get a high-quality photo of the scene. Repeat this process for each stage. To keep the character consistent, whether it's a specific person or the dog, simply upload the generated image as a reference image. Then, paste the prompt for the next stage. Repeat this process until you have generated all the images for your story. Step 4. Generate the video. Once all your images are ready, go to AI Video. Just use Reference to Video feature. Here you can turn these still images into a complete video. I use Kling 3.0 Omni. To ensure the completeness of the video story, I split it into two parts: the boy buried in an avalanche and the puppy's search and rescue. For each part, upload the corresponding images, paste the prompts provided earlier by ChatGPT, toggle Generate Audio on, and generate the videos separately. You can also adjust the prompts or regenerate based on the results you get. Then, simply import both clips into Edimakor, stitch them together, add smooth transitions to make the change feel more natural, and include background audio. And your AI dog survival video will be complete. Step 5. Export the video. Once you export your video, don't forget to publish to social media. During the Father's Day campaign, add #EdimakorAI when posting to earn 60 free credits. Ready to give it a try? HitPaw Edimakor is dedicated to making AI creation effortless and fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the link in the description to try it yourself. See you in the next one.